Yeah. Bro, how do you feel?
Fucking nice, bro.
What?
We're back in Spain.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow. It's amazing. So, did you bring your clothes to the soldier?
You can still invite your friends and family.
You know what I lost?
You just take pictures
Ish, bro. I lost.
and invite them on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter. Don't forget to follow the page.
And I'm no one with. I'm a witness. So what's happening, boy?
Whoa, we are the social market.
Come on, let's go.
I was trying to use your voice, man.
Yeah.
Like, I was loud. Yeah, everybody.
Look, niggas are even trying to double dip on live, dog. Double dip. Why are you double dipping on live?
Hey. Yo. This is our guest on SSB 5
debut. Welcome back. Hey, how you doing, guys? I miss you so much. Yo! So people were like, yo, where's Bugs? Bugs is back.
Which bugs? Billions.
Bugs is back. So whatever it is, niggas, we enjoy whatever it is. So,
Yeah.
say what's up.
Vendor right here.
You know what it is.
You know what it is.
Screaming! What am I?
You know what it is.
Yeah.
The other part,
It's made in Venda. It's made in Venda.
Jessica.
So what's been going on today? Today's been a great day. I set up in the morning, I did some other shit. So we just got here today, ne? What do you think of the vibe right now?
A few moments later.
Where is the mic? On the Ugama. Hey, no, hey, but
I got you, man. Yeah. Young rich nigga. I'm making myself a boss in the system. I just talk shit and I'm talking some beer with the shit. Grandma post a weed with the shit. Sapa King feel on the mic. Vendala mini. Naki, you're misleading, Naki. Hey, that's a Jerusalem. We're not dancing Jerusalem, guys. It's Codessa, guys. Check the age. Hey. It's Codessa, not Jerusalem. Guys.
Send men kibra para tudut yang berakan di sisi ini. Social media doing. Ono lam. Ya. Abang ngafarungan tuni.
Duko tambah aku dalam.
Asal tu oi. Di kamu abang ngafarungan tuni.
Tawanya